Hey guys, it's Veronica from Identity. Thank you for your interest in our password-free plugin. Password-free by Identity is your top choice solution for passwordless user authentication. How many times do you think you've lost your buyers due to complex passwords or annoying forms? 30 to 50% of buyers actually leave a website without making a purchase because they couldn't sign in easily. With password-free, it becomes a thing of the past. We've come up with a cutting-edge MFA method that allows your users to sign in without passwords or annoying forms. Instead of passwords, they now will be using a random picture appearing in the mobile device and in the desktop screen for app users. We have an appless option too. This is actually a one-click MFA method built in directly into your browser. Start using password-free in 3 simple steps. Install the plugin, go to the settings page and change custom account settings to activate. Enable password-free. Try it out and tell us what you think. Leave us a review here on Shopify, or tell us what you think in our socials or our website. We'll be happy to hear from you. Start using your new, fast and secure user authentication.